Hey Tristan, come hold this phone for me. Just hold it right there. And now we're going to screw the back on. I mean the adjustment knob. And there we go. Okay, only screw the adjustment knob counterclockwise. I mean clockwise, never counterclockwise. And there she is, adjusting. Let's see, what time is it? 12:45. Okay.
12:46 now.
Okay. 12:46. Yeah, a little more. Come on. Just a little bit. There, close enough. Okay. And shortly it's going to stop ticking because I don't have the battery hooked up. Let me see here. How much longer do we have? Well, we've got quite a while till it stops ticking. But that mechanism does work. I've already verified it. It just pops every once. Oh, this is a mechanism to make it stop ticking in case you've adjusted it too far. Anyway, all right, we'll get it wrapped up. You can stop the video.